Hello friends, I am your instructor Mahendra. Welcome to the next chapter of Tally RP9. Well, today we'll discuss about TDS on expense with inventory. So we have one example. On 1st July 2018, Miles received the bill for rupees 50,000 from SM Manufacturer. This is interstate purchase. 3 pieces of hard disk drive of 1 terabyte at the rate 4,000 each. Remember student one thing before doing this type of examples, in case TDS other than advertisement, for company it is 2% TDS rate, and for non-company it is 1% TDS rate. Alright friends, so first we will go to the gateway of Tally, then accounting, then laser, then create SM manufacturer, manufacturer, sundry creditor. Yes, yes, this is a company, payment to contractor other than advertisement. Yes, alright, then we will create uh, we have TDS contractor other than advertisement, GL already, duty and taxes and current liability, TDS payment to contractor other than advertisement. Alright, then control A, and purchase, this is interstate purchase IGST. This is also applicable, payment to contractor other than advertisement. Now we'll go to the gateway of Tally, then accounting vouchers, then press F9. It's a purchase GST, it's a purchase IGST. We did this transaction for July 2018, 07 3 SM manufacturers, hard disk of for Uttarakhand, 3 pieces, 4,000 each. So TDS bill allocation, yes. Then put IGST. Alright. Step 12. Alright. Let's match the nature of place of supply. Then go back to the gateway of Tally, then accounting voucher, then F7, would be for July as a manufacturer payment to contractor TDS other than contractor. Now we have also TDS 12,000 was the stock value and 2%. This is a the in case of company it is 2% and in case of individual it is 1%. All right, then control A, then go back to the gateway of Tally, then balance sheet, then alt F1 to expand. Now you can see TDS contract rather than advertisement. You also have April to September. As a manufacturer. All right. Alright friends, this brings to the end of this lesson. I hope you enjoy watching this lesson. I am sure all your conclusion now get clear about TDS on expense with inventory. I am gonna be back with new lesson. Till then, take care and bye.